guys, welcome back. My name is Brianne and this video is going to be speed cleaning, so I hope you're ready to clean with me.
So I got what I deserved, you know it. I wanted it to hurt, so wrong of me to cross that line. If I could, I would push rewind. It's my fault, I'll give you my heart, you can crush it, moving on. I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Oh, yeah. Waving the white flag. Oh, yeah. Waving the white flag. You watch me across the room. Your glances tells me that I am doomed. Is there a way to cool you down? Just one mistake and I am out. It's my fault, I'll give you my heart, you can crush it, moving on. I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Waving the white flag. I'm 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 waving the white flag, yeah. It's my fault. Moving on if you want it. I surrender to you. I'm waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Waving the white flag.
the smoke is rising and you feel excited, come on now, don't let it go. We're gonna burst into flame. There is no smoke without fire. Oh, we're gonna burst into flames. Whoa.
When the smoke is rising, they feel excited. No compromising, no need to fight it.
When the smoke is rising and you feel excited, come on now, don't let it go. We're gonna burst into flames. There is no smoke without fire. Oh, we're gonna burst into flames. There is no smoke without fire. Oh, we're gonna burst into flames. Whoa.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape